LBB or local breaker backup protection is used to protect power system when a circuit breaker is unable to clear a fault due to mechanical trouble or faulty trip coil or faulty DC wiring or due to any other reason. Task of LBB relay is to continuously monitor current in that circuit breaker and also to check simultaneously whether any protection in respect of that feeder is operated or not. This is a simplified circuit diagram of LBB protection, where this LBB relay is connected in series with distance protection relay such that it can measure simultaneously the same current which is also measured by distance relay. And notice that this distance protection relay is connected with 3 number of single phase 86 and 1 3 phase 86 relay. These 86 relays are responsible for tripping of circuit breaker because these 86 relay contacts provide trip pulse to circuit breaker trip coil. Now notice these 86 relays have another contacts which are connected with this LBB relay. These contacts are used to provide status of these 86 relays such that this LBB relay can understand whether 86 protection relays are operated or not. Now in a real situation, suppose a red phase to earth fault occurs. Due to this fault, this distance relay will operate and red phase 86 will be operated to trip red pole of this circuit breaker by operation of this contact. But suppose this contact is faulty, then this red pole of this circuit breaker will not open. Now during this faulty condition, as red pole of this circuit breaker is not opening, so fault is still present in this power system and this current is continuously monitored by both of LBB and distance protection relay. So after a predefined time delay of 100 millisecond, this LBB relay will understand that in spite of operation of this 86 relay, this circuit breaker is not opening. Then this LBB relay will provide another trip pulse to same pole of this circuit breaker. Now suppose red phase trip coil of this circuit breaker is faulty or there is any mechanical trouble in this red pole of circuit breaker. Then in spite of issuance of a read trip pulse from LBB relay, this circuit breaker pole will again fail to clear this fault. Then after another 100 millisecond delay or a delay of 200 millisecond from operation of this relay, one LBB back trip pulse will issue. But what is this back trip pulse? This back trip pulse is responsible to trip the entire bus with which this bay is connected. Here is one example such that you can understand what is back trip. Suppose back trip operated in this bay, and as this bay is connected with bus 1, so all the circuit breakers which are connected with bus 1 will get tripped by operation of 96 relay.